At the top, we're following breaking news from Edinburg. Police are investigating the deaths of 4 family members believed to have died from carbon monoxide poisoning. Police say the incident happened at a home along the 2000 block of Woodstone Drive. All 4 found unresponsive. A 5th person rushed to the hospital. That person's condition not known. Police believe the carbon monoxide was caused by a generator being used inside the home. A press conference set for 3 o'clock this afternoon. Channel 5 will be there and keep you informed of the very latest.